As students, in the previous video, we have seen that Wk can be written as linear combination of A1k V1 plus A2k V2 plus and so on to Ank Vn, right? Since S spans V. Okay, and this we can write it as equation 2. Okay, and moreover we can write here as k equal to 1, 2 and so on to n plus 1. Okay, now you can substitute this in equation 1. Okay, substituting 2, equation 2 in 1 we get. Okay, what is my equation 1? Equation 1 is here. C1W1 plus C2W2, C1W1, C2W2, C3W3 and so on to CNWN plus CN plus 1, WN plus 1. So in the place of W1, in the place of W2, in the place of W3, I am going to substitute all this. This one, W1, in the place of W1, I'll substitute this. In the place of W2, I'll substitute this. In the place of WN plus 1, I'll substitute. So how the equation will become? What is my equation 1? C1. Okay, what is my W1? See, W1 is nothing but, okay, I'll do like this, it will be easy for you. Okay, C1 W1. Okay, I'm not going to write W1 here. So in the place of W1, I'm going to write this linear combination A11 V1, A21 V2 and so on. So this will be A11 V1 plus A21 V2 plus and so on plus AN1 Vn. Right? This is my W1. What is this? The whole thing is my W1. Okay? Plus little bit down, I'll put the line. The whole thing is my W1. Now I'll write C2 into A12 V1 plus A22 V2 plus and so on plus AN2 Vn. The whole thing is my W2. Okay? Plus C3 into A13 V1 plus A23 V2 plus and so on plus AN3 Vn. Okay? The whole thing is my W3 plus the last one I will write C n plus 1. Okay? Wn plus 1. How I can write Wn plus 1? A n plus 1 V1 plus A2 n plus 2 V2 plus okay V2 plus A3 n plus 1 sorry n plus 2 9 n plus 1. Okay, A3, again this is n plus 1. A3 n plus 1 V3 plus and so on plus A n, okay, A n plus 1 V n, okay. What is this? This is my W n plus 1, okay, the whole thing. All this is my W n plus 1. See, this much big we are writing. Instead, can you see C1 times that W1, C2 times W2, C3 times W3, Cn plus 1 times Wn plus 1, okay, equal to 0. This is my equation, okay, equal to 0, okay. So this is my equation 1. So in equation 1 I am substituting equation 2. Now you can understand, I think, right? It's so big. So instead I can write in shortcut. How I can write? This C1 is there, no? C1, C2. It goes and so on to n plus 1. So I can write the summation. I can write k ranges from 1 to n plus 1. The C1, C2 and so on to Cn plus 1. So this is my k, Ck. But inside this there is one more summation. Inside C1 there is one more summation. Inside C2 there is one more summation. So for that I will be writing summation j equal to summation j equal to 1 to n, because it ranges from 1 to and so on to n only. So j ranges from 1 to n. A j k b j, right? And all these are my, what are they? They are nothing but my wk, right? So what it is actually? Summation k equal to 1 to n plus 1, okay, that is ck wk, right? In the place of wk I have written this summation, that is a11 v1 plus a21 v2 and so on. So this summation represents this inside summation. Is there no inside summation? This inside summation is nothing but this one, right? This outside summation is nothing but this one, this addition, okay. C1 times W1 plus C2 times W2, this is one. C1 times W1 plus C2 times W2 plus C3 times W3 and so on. So inside C1 this summation A11 V1 plus A12 V2 plus and so on to AN1 Vn, okay. In summation inside one more summation. Since S is linearly independent, okay, since S is linearly independent, why? Because S is basis, okay. So we are having no C1 times some constant plus C2 times some constant plus C 3 times. Okay, all this C n plus 1 plus C on n plus 1 times this. So what I can write is, I can write C1 into this one, right? C2, C1 into this one. Like this I can multiply. Okay, I can multiply same way C2 also. C2 also I can multiply like this. Sorry. And like this I can multiply. Okay. So all the constants, if you take, what you will get? Summation k equal to 1 to n plus 1 a jk ck equal to 0 for equal to 0 for all j equal to 1, 2 and so on to n. So from this what you get? Very simple. That is, you expand this a11 c1 plus a12 c2 plus and so on plus a1 n plus 1 c n plus 1 equal to 0. Here you can see. Okay, a11 into c1, this one a11 into c1. Okay, a12 into c2 and so on to a1 n plus 1 into c n plus 1. Here a1 n plus 1 into c n plus 1. So I hope you understood now. Now same way a21 c1 plus a22 c2 plus and so on plus a2 n plus 1 c n plus 1 equal to 0. So and so on it will go. I'll write the last one. Last one is a11 n1 c1 plus an2 c2 plus and so on plus n plus 1 c n plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, how many equations you are having? 1, 2, okay, and so on. This one, n equations. How many equations are there? N equations. How many unknowns? C1 I want to find, C2 I want to find, and so on to Cn plus 1 I want to find. Here you can see A1 first equation, A2 second equation, An n equations. How many unknowns? C1, C2 and so on to Cn plus 1. So n plus 1 unknowns. N equations, n plus 1 unknowns. And all are equal to 0, right? When you write equal to 0, something equal to 0, this equation equal to 0, this equation equal to 0, this equation equal to 0, then it is a homogeneous equation. It is a homogeneous equation. Okay, so we'll write this last system of equation. So time is over. This is a homogeneous system of equation with n plus 1 unknowns. Okay, therefore